This video will show you how to quickly save all photos and videos from the Google Photos app to iPhone, Android, PC and other devices. If you have a lot of files, this will be much faster than uploading everything manually one photo at a time. Open the Google Photos app on your device. Click on the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the button Manage your Google account. In the new window, find and click Data and Privacy. Scroll down to the Content Saved from Google Services section and click on that section. Wait for the page to load, scroll down and find Photos, then click the Download button. Scroll down and click Continue. You will then be asked how you want to receive the file, how many times it can be downloaded, the file size and type, then click the Create Export button. After that, you will receive a message with a link to download photos and videos. I had few photos, I refreshed the page and I already had a link. Click on the Download button. Then click on the Share button and save the file. We go to the Files application, there we find your archive with photos. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe if this video was helpful. If you have any questions you can write them in the comments.